This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting the image into Figma and making it editable. Import the file into your selected frame, then position it roughly where you want. If you plan to recolor a logo or icon, convert it to vector or ensure it's on a shape layer so effects apply consistently. Once placed, lock other layers to avoid accidental moves and make sure the image is selected before you move to the next step so adjustments affect the right object. Now change the color. If the image is a vector, change the fill color directly in the right-hand panel and pick your target hue. For photos or raster graphics, add a rectangle with your color on top and set blend mode to color or overlay to preserve luminosity. Alternatively, create a mask by placing the colored shape above the image and choosing use as mask so the tint confines to the image boundaries. Make sure to tweak opacity to balance color and detail. Finish by refining. Adjust opacity and experiment with multiply, color, or soft light blend modes until the image reads correctly. Once satisfied, export using the proper format, SVG for vectors, PNG or JPEG for rasters, so colors remain consistent. If you encounter mismatched hues, make sure no underlying fills or effects are active and check your document color profile. If problems persist, flatten the image or rasterize the layer and reapply the color technique. That usually resolves blending and export surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.